aspects of the course. While the first 4 parts covered the BGP, OSPF and the internal Junos architectures with policies and firewall filters, the next logical step for me was to initially take the MPLS side of the implementation, but then I realized like many of the network engineers who are familiar with the routing aspects of, let us say, a Cisco device can correlate fairly well to the routing aspects, especially the implementation aspects of the Juniper devices as well. But when it comes to implementation of tunneling or service provider switching aspects like CVLAN, SVLAN or the bridge domains, I see most of engineers are not very well used to implement these sort of scenarios on Cisco devices, whereas the recent trends have been revolving around implementation of a bridge domain or implementation of a NVGR or implementation of certain types of tunneling aspects. So that led to the part 1A of the course. So coming to the agenda of the course, we'll cover the GRE, right? Then we'll cover the IPIP, and we'll see something called an LT tunnel. That's a logical tunnel. That's a very interesting aspect. The logical tunnel covers the virtual connectivity between two virtual devices. I mean, this sounds tricky to start with, but yeah, we'll see how the LT tunnels are implemented. We'll cover the C and SVLAN aspects, like where do you see the CVLAN, where do you see the SVLAN. We'll see various VLAN, pop, swap and push operations. We'll then go with QinQ tunnel implementation, and we'll implement various QinQ tunneling technologies. Then we'll see what is a virtual switch. We'll construct a virtual switch, and we'll also try to run STP within a virtual switch. And we'll start over with the bridge domain and IRP. This is a familiar concept if you're coming from Cisco iOS. That's the SVI aspect of it, where we'll use a switched VLAN interface to route between two different VLANs. We'll implement VRRP for an IRP sort of situation, and finally we'll wind up the course with IMC lag. So I enjoyed, I mean, it took a lot of time to cut down both the tunneling and service provider aspects to what fits in the real world, but I enjoyed doing it. I really hope that we will enjoy the course as we move along. So the next topic, we'll start with the GRE. Thank you so much.